Okay, so to assign books to my students, I'm going to go from my home page to the Orange Library, and then I can search by filters if I know, I should know my students' reading level, so I'm going to search based on their, I'm going to say their Fountas and Pinnell level. So if I have a student that is reading on a level D, I can search for level D books, and you can see there's 243 level D books. And here they come. It's going to give me all of them. There they are. So all the books that have a Fountas and Pinnell level of D. All right. So when I find the one that looks interesting to one of my students, okay, let's see. I'm going to go with Little Star Soccer here. So I will click on Little Star Soccer. I might want to put that book on my bookshelf so I remember that I have assigned that book and I can find it later. But if I'm ready to assign it, I just click on the Assign button. And then my students are going to show up at the bottom of the screen. I'm not actually assigned students, so I just went in and chose a couple to assign to myself. But your class should be in there. If they're not, let me know and I can fix that for you. So I want to assign Little Stars Soccer to this student. I will click on her name and it gives me a check mark. And I'm done. And then I can click Save. And now that book will show up under her assignments for her to read. Okay? When I go to Manage, oh, I'm sorry, that takes me to my students. Let's go to Assignments. That's what I meant to click on. On Assignments, I can see the books I've assigned, or I can see it by students. And then it shows me my student and her book.